Hey guys, this is my first video and today I'm going to be making a volcano explode. Your materials, you need baking soda, vinegar, and a teaspoon. Now what you want to do is get a teaspoon full of baking soda and pour it into the volcano. Then you want to open the vinegar. I only want to add in a little bit of vinegar, not too much. Try not to spill it all. And it explodes. You could do this multiple times, but if you want, all you have to do is get more baking soda. If you want color, put in some food coloring after you do that, and then put the vinegar back in. Oh jeez. And then it actually turns out the color you want it to be. Now what I want to try to do is try all the colors. Hopefully it doesn't explode on me as soon as it puts in. Looking good. I'll put in all the colors. Thank you. The last color. And now, time for the vinegar. Oops. Real lava. Looks like actual lava. It's cool. I'm gonna add in more vinegar. It's gonna explode a lot. I want it to explode. Just move it. I can't do it by myself. Explode a lot. I think I'm going a little bit too crazy. It's cool at the top. I'm gonna make it green, just the green. Hopefully it actually turns out green. Only green. It's yellow. So let that go. I'm trying to make it go because some of the baking soda is still there. There we go. Okay, you can't even see. It gone. It gone. Look at all those bubbles. Look like soda. Just gonna do it a couple more times, I think. Because it's legit and cool. We'll mix in the pink and the red. Oops. Added 4 instead of 3, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to add in that. Oh, it actually looks cool. Now that's real lava. That's purple. I think I'm going to do it one last time because it's cool. I'm gonna make it go a lot. I wanna make it go a latte, latte, latte. I'm just gonna make a big mountain. A big sun. Gonna add in green. Just 2 scoops of green. 1, a 2. Just slide down the mountain. A 1, a 2. And then a 1, a 2. And then add in the vinegar. The big mountain of vinegar. Ah! On the table. I think it's gonna go on the table. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.